Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a little brief video at 3 years out from a 62-year-old then, now 65-year-old tough guy who had gotten, I mean, he looks really good. He's got this long flowing gray mane, almost like Fabio, but his hairline had started to go away, and he went to a doctor in our area who did a small strip case on him, and it just didn't give him enough density. But he looked okay, but it just didn't like it enough.
Yeah.
And so we trimmed down his front and packed that area with, I think, 1,200 grafts. And then, just like all these goofballs, they say, oh, I'll be back. And I saw him at day 7, and then he just walked in last week. Yeah, at 36 months out. And he looks good. He's got hair greed, though. He wants a little bit more, but I convinced him to let me take a picture of him. And here he is with his hair pulled back and the close-up of his hairline. And his scar is almost impossible to find. It's hard to get a bad scar on a 65-year-old like that. But if he decides he's greedy enough to want another case, he's got gobs and gobs and gobs of hair to harvest from. It's just worrying. Right?
Like, yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Are we doing anything else on him?
I don't think so. I think it's
You can listen, that's it.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens. So what is it, Wendy?
If we can help you, give us a call.
Thanks.